dinner tonight and I'm cooking up a storm. And make sure to bring a bottle of wine. And guess what? Prepare to stay over tonight.
Alright, babe, the thing is, I already told you I'm gonna be a busy man tomorrow. Real busy man at work. I'm sorry, but I don't know what's the rush, you know? I mean, we can put it off till next date.
Rush?
Yeah.
After 4 months they call this rush?
Come on. Good things come to those who wait, baby.
But not for those who wait too long.
So, what are you trying to say? What does that mean?
Read between the lines.
Oh, I'm confused right now. I'm real confused right now. I don't know what to say.
Excuse me, I get in a call. Hello? Oh my God! When? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Alright, I come in.
What's wrong?
Oh my God, my friend got shot last night. Jesus Christ, you have to drop me off at the hospital.
Okay, sure, no problem.
Fight for your right. Always listen now. Fight for your right. Always. Buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. Cause when you're black, you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. Cause what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to use, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fight. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite.
So you hear nothing about from the girl?
And since you tell me that she want the money, you know.
Yeah.
No, I'm not hearing nothing from her.
I did tell her never to do it, you know. So let's say I have a decent wife at home and thing, but...
Yeah, I know, man.
John, you just not listen.
So anyway, what are you going to do work?
Well, work is work, you know. I just there to me. For the people them work. I make myself better. Go school. You see me?
So yes, I go back to school.
That's a challenge, but them give me a payment plan, so I just have to take time out, work with it still.
Yo, that good quench.
Blessings.
I'm proud of you, dog.
Better myself.
You never tell me that. A good thing that, yeah. For real, cause, yo, you can't waste your time over this one. And you have talent, yo. And you first man show me through that long division, man. You don't remember? From them time there.
Remember one, man. I always love much from year one still.
The best choice you make, right? John, I feel like I could turn back. I feel like me to buy all that juice. Where are you? Forward.
You see your syrup.
When you just highlight the girl in a cartel song.
Yeah, man. I want to celebrate this way I celebrate, brother.
What? Yo, I'm happy about it, dog.
Yeah, man, your blessings are God, man. Because you
Forward,
can't
forward.
forget that, man.
Forward.
You see, man?
Yo, right now, yo, the woman are dead in a dog. No, the woman are dead in a bad man.
Yo, we are say brother. A 3 shot me give woman in a brother.
You shot to give woman and me I tell you, say right now, woman over there, alive and well, bad man. That me I tell you, bad man.
I know you. Believe it, daddy.
be a bag of thing, youth. No, dog. Right now, yo, we well want a piece of food there, you know, youth.
So
I tell you, so we need a piece of food because we want to left you, so youth.
Yo, we can't get the money, brother.
Man, not talk about money. Oh, we forget money and the woman not dead. We can't get no money until the woman dead, bad man.
When we have to shoot mama instead of shoot the husband?
Brother, man, I tell you, say, right now, it come like, say, the husband find out, say, mama I try to kill him and I cheat on him. See? So guess what him do now? He give me a bigger piece of food and say, to bust out mama head.
And that go on, man, you would.
I tell you, say, brother, Jano, I couldn't resist a piece of food. I not now go and get my visa for cut. Jano,
So, yo, you know you can't get the money, man.
Can't get the money, dog, because the woman not dead.
So, yo, so, how we are going to cook?
Alright, now cut more cut for you. So, yo, a little more tea in my daddy. Right now.
Man, yo.
Yo, right. Yo, dog. Okay. Cut out the neck.
Yeah, Miss Gibby. Yeah, the computer now, it's gonna be alright. Right now I'm working on somebody else's. I'll be on the weekend to check it out. Yeah, man. Okay. Yo, Spurley, brother. What about me done? Long time in the see, you know.
Tell you, I'm there in the place,
Yeah, I know.
same old usual thing for the girl them chase. Don't know things that already, brother.
You know, so you're not change those Spurley, you know.
Never that, man, never that. There, you know.
See,
How's Steph go on? How's she go on with, man?
good enough.
Good.
Can't complain,
Good.
start giving me a problem, brother.
Glad for you that, brother. Yeah, the boy, yes, man.
You don't know, sir. You see that company over there, sir?
Yeah.
A couple of weeks and come if you deal with them computers. Yeah. You don't have a little thing on the side, isn't it?
Free.
Still a kickball too.
Yeah, man, I mean, man, I not left that alone, man.
Hey, you
Trust
bad,
me,
you
man. I know some work close by you still.
Eh?
Yeah, man, work close by, man.
Never know that.
Alright, I know a be a woman problem I have in a brother, you don't even know, star. They must stress me, man. It's a full-time job in a brother. If you have duck
No,
and a
no.
dodge them, I don't know me live with a woman already, you know, man.
You don't change, brother. Telling us earlier, you can't live like that because you know, there's two diseases out there you can't catch while you're using condom. That's a fact.
Yeah, you know, but you don't know my thing already, you know. And me beat it 3 times, you know.
Yeah.
My one that, you know.
What? You know, so there's somebody with
know
that
my
same
thing, you know, brother.
dumb argument there.
I know my thing already, man.
Let's say you beat it 2 times or 3 times. Next
It's a 3 times,
no
my
boots.
girl that, brother, straight like that, and my girl that. You know about disease where you can catch without condom, but you're telling me about 2 when me can catch with condom, brother.
Herpes and HPV. 2 diseases we can catch while using condom. Is that fact, brother? Look it up on your smartphone.
You have the credit in the service, you know, but here, you need to worry about that, you know, brother. You have
Hey,
bigger things for your
can I
thing
lead
about,
it to
you
the
know.
water? We can't make a drink. No. Just put it
That's
out
true,
there.
you know, but yo,
But
I
yo.
saw the thing set, you know, brother. Now watch
Yeah,
my
man.
face, you know. Glad to see the eyes still.
Likewise, man. Just take care of yourself.
Big
Yeah,
up
brother?
yourself, see?
Yeah, man.
Ah.
Think about it still, yeah?
Yeah, man, I do that, man.
Ah, it's Pearly. You know.
Yeah, man.
So I know, man, love woman like wow.
Yeah, it's your boy J Links, yeah. Yo, lost.
Take it over.
Live life, feel nice. Live life, feel nice. Live life, feel nice.
I want to go and quench. I deal it.
Yo, made in a book, man. I'm for it.
I deal with quench.
Oh. Hold on. Yo, my day, I know my boss. My day, man. Just a work and study. Can't bother. I come out of this, brother, man. Can't stay at gas station for you, brother.
Good thing that.
So what I go on with you?
Just buy 2 bikes and make them go around taxi on the road, you see, and eat some
That sound good, my boss. Trust me.
food, man. But
Like that,
otherwise, still, them I run off the place, you know. Them I run the place on blue pill, you see me. Them I run the place now, brother.
Blue pill.
Yeah, man. So the man them I work on the road and all
Blue
like
pill?
exotic people, them this them take. And them just
Blue
go on and
pill?
go on and go on. Yeah, man. Them I deal with, you know. You see me?
Blue pill. Where did it come from, man? Where it good for?
Call them the perk 30.
Blue pill.
You see me? Yeah, man. You see all that people them are
Perk what? Perk what?
Perk 30. You see
Hold on. Perk 30.
Yeah, man. You me tell you, say I done around the place, man.
Me not even have no service. Me just see that check.
Yo, hold on there. Hello? What? Place around away? Which part? Yo, place around away, no brother.
Oh, go on now.
Can't pass the place them with this. I have to make you go and hold off this thing. Go forward.
Me don't know nothing about this. You just tell me about what really this be.
Them tell us that this around the place, man. Just keep it in forward, my brother.
Yo, me see you with this, brother.
Just keep it.
No,
just
me ask you something. Me see you with this.
Yeah, man, hold it, man. Cause I drive and I walk here. I don't want to
me see you with that, brother.
Me say you're safe, brother, man. Just cool, man. Just listen to me, I say, man. A long time, you know you're in a quench, man. Just keep the thing for me, brother. Just hide off the thing for me, the king.
Can't tell you this, you know. If you make me go down, then you will be going down.
Quench, I want, man. Just deal with the thing for you, brother. See? Bless it, man.
Yo, General, I know say partner live.
Yeah, man, that's right around there, so she live, man.
Alright, respect, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Hello, son.
You know where Miss Patsy live?
No, Miss Patsy don't live around here, darling.
Patsy live around here?
No, son.
I said him tell me say woman live.
A wrong place and send your son.
Alright, mommy.
Alright.
Well,
Jesus, in our house, in our house, in our house.
Where say I want to know? Where say you want to do? You want to pay the money that you feel like you want to pay the money or what you want to do?
Like that, what should I do? But I don't know, I don't want to pay, and then she pays me for more and more and more money again.
Brother, you know what I'm saying? If you say you should have paid the money still.
If you say I should pay.
What you mean? If you say you should have paid it, daddy, because you just want to get this thing sorted out.
Kind of tough. You don't want to fall into that pay trap there.
Yeah, hear me? You wear the money. Just line up and pay the money. Hear me, I said, daddy, don't move. I'm so far. Zane, just go and bill. Yeah, man, I'm so calling link you, man. I say, alright. Yeah, where you say now, Jigga?
I don't know what to do. But yo, you know, you say somebody will get stabbed again. You notice how that stabbing, brother, I be a couple must stab up. Me feel like somebody will know. Like the people in a relationship are. I don't know what that.
You come like a psychopath man who love stab up couple. Me I wonder what the couple them doing. Me.
Maybe somebody don't like what people
that me I say you you come like this man you possess. You come like then set him to stab up be a couples and then sitting there. Me I wonder what this.
I don't know, it's weird, dog.
But I don't know. So everything I got good, man. Cause you see right now, if you just watch your head back and don't let it kill you.
Just want to know who send this thing to my house, dog.
You know what say? They don't know say. I know I ain't gonna say nothing to nobody in but you know say Quench and Steph. Come like bench and body.
You never know that.
You don't know what go on. You hear that?
Oh, when? Before me couldn't live?
Yeah. Me I show you, brother.
You said to me, Quench?
Me nah see. I hear me no bad man. Me know I go call back my name and say me say.
No, man. I don't want to point no finger upon nobody, push. Right. You never tell me that.
That me I tell you so. You must know what you do.
And Steph.
You must know what you're doing, bad man. But anyway, yo, me I go continue, so you just go and match up your thing and don't know, I'm going to burn a week. I say I love to smoke on the end and stuff.
Yeah, man, I say a word.
Yo, just go and match up your time.
Yeah, man. Yo, me link you, yeah?
Yeah, man, don't link, man. Just call me, call.
Alright. Quench and Steph.
Yo, one thing we have to glad say, Steph not find out what one, yeah?
Yo. What is your thing for you, though? I'll tell Steph.
Tell Steph.
Yeah, Steph. You must be mad. Yo.
Let him have to do it, man. So let's say I have a decent wife at home and thing, but...
Yeah, me know, man.
God knows I'm not buying, but everything I
you must shop your own life, man. Your own down for... Here we go.
Yeah. It's your boy J Links, yeah. Yo, lost.
Take it over.
Live life, feel nice. Live life, feel nice. Live life, feel nice. And come on, just have fun now. It's on. Loving the vibes. Everything going so right. It's on. Girls, I'm loving the vibes. Kissing up again and wine. From yesterday, the sun gone down. Car and bike turn on road. Enough people from all but New York City and North Coast. And can I feel the beat of the music? Make your body keep moving. Come on, just do this, yeah. All night drinking exclusive. I'm about to lose it. Watch me act you down, down. This gonna go down, down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink and party all night. This gonna go down, down. This gonna go down crazy. No regrets, I'm living my life. Gonna drink and party all night long. Hennessy, apple vodka, me love royal. Little life full spice in a copa. Drink all night, so me high with a blunt. Tree crazy, I laugh and lost, well jumped up.
She said she's down. I'm down.
I just wanna see you down. Party,
Baby girl, you the one that I want tonight. Let's go up, then go down tonight. We gon' party all night. Give you these ends, grab my hand. Let's take this last dance tonight. Party going up and down tonight. Bring you around tonight. We can dance in the middle of the night. With my hand on your shoulder. Baby girl, come closer. Cause the night is going down. You can bring your friends around. Grab my hand, let's dance. It's going down tonight. In the middle of the night, just grab my hand and take this last dance with me. Just take this last dance with me. I've been dancing with the devil in the middle of the night. I with that devil in the night. Yeah. Middle of the night. Party. In the night. Party.
I'm on fire. Turn this music higher up. I live the time of my life. Down, down, this gonna go down, down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink and party all night. This gonna go down, down. This gonna go down crazy. No regrets, I'm living my life. Gonna drink and party all night long. Hennessy, apple vodka, me love ya. Back in a cup, drink all night. Yeah. You know we go right. Yo, lost my thing, man. Just us. Party all night. Yeah.